Good morning, Linda here today. I have a Craftsman motor for sale. This is model number 11312161. This is a half horsepower, 3450 rams, 60 hertz, 115 volts, and 8.4 amps. This particular motor can be used on table saws, sanders, shapers, and lathes. This is a dual shaft with reverse rotation, and it is a capacitor start AC motor. I am going to turn it on for you now. I am selling this on eBay, so if you're interested, just go there and find it. Thank you for watching my video today, and have a great day. Bye.